Hi guys, this is Niso with EZ Locksmith. We're here at Dunkin Donuts in Denver, Glendale actually, 80246. We have a commercial lockout. The panic bar got stuck completely. The cylinder is spinning. We have Zak here, one of our specialists. Take a look. The key just spins and doesn't turn the latch of the panic bar. So we need to find a way to there are two bars going up and down. We need to disconnect them from the frame and get the door open first to determine what exactly is the issue. Definitely the lock itself, the cylinder, needs to be replaced. We hope we can get away with just replacing this part and not needing to replace the entire panic bar, but we'll see what happens. Zak was able to detach the bar from the bottom. Over there, it's already, we took it out of the frame. Now we have the top. That is pretty difficult to do because there is not enough gap between the door and the frame itself. But we'll get it done, like always. We're able to get both of the bars detached from the frame. Zak, our specialist, made it happen again. Now all the employees can go in and make donuts. They open very early a.m. Need to be ready for customers.
Go ahead, boss. I need, because I was talking to him. He needs to know what's going on with this.
Well,
yeah, that's what I'm saying. I gotta wait around until you get me.
We got you. Good job, Zak.
Thank you.
Zak is here again. We're gonna take out the panic bar and see exactly what is the problem. It's a very sophisticated panic bar. Is that?
Can you get that light for us, man? Did that work? You have more light? Thank you, bro.
We'll be back shortly with an update. It seems like the entire mechanism is messed up. The owner here says that it's been causing issues for many months now, and they just held back from trying to mess with it or replacing it, and that's what ended up happening. They got locked out, so we'll take good care of them, replace whatever needs to be replaced, make sure they're happy and everything is working. Zak again is in action. We're going to install a new rim cylinder. Hopefully that will solve the problem. We're pretty confident it will. They want the old key to be able to open the door, so we are rekeying the new lock right now to match the old key that they have. Show you how the door looks like right now. We took out the cover of the panic bar. We took out the old lock that was causing issues. Rekeying the new lock right now, installing the new lock. Hopefully we should be good. We love Dunkin Donuts, don't you?